So now let's talk about state-of-the-art acne treatments. The pilosebaceous unit, which is shown at the top, is a complex skin structure comprising of the hair follicle, its associated sebaceous gland, the oil gland, and the erector pili muscle, all functioning together to produce hair, secrete sebum for lubrication, and provide skin protection. This unit originates from the epidermis and extends into the dermis, playing crucial roles in skin health, so its dysfunction is linked to common issues like acne, folliculitis, and seborrheic dermatitis. Acne vulgaris arises not simply from bacterial overgrowth, but from complex host microbiome interactions centered on this pilosebaceous unit. Cutibacterium acnes and Staphylococcus epidermidis are two dominant species in the skin microbiome and generally beneficial skin residents. Acne is linked more to shifts in the strain composition, that is the bad acne we talked about, virulence factors, and biofilm formation rather than total C. acne numbers. Metagenomic studies reveal acne-associated C. acnes lineages, virulence factors, and adhesion biofilm genes, while health-associated strains often possess fewer virulence determinants. These microbes interact with innate and adaptive immune system through the TLR signaling, antimicrobial peptides, and inflammatory pathways, contributing to lesion formation. The problem then is that current antibiotic-heavy treatments can result in antibiotic resistance and microbiome disruption, while emerging microbiome-based therapies like probiotics, phages, nitric oxide-releasing agents, or live commensals, and improved models add a promising future direction for more targeted, ecology-aware management of acne. Now let's talk about a specific bacterium, Lactobacillus plantarum. Is a versatile gram-positive probiotic bacterium that, when applied topically or used in skincare, actually strengthens the skin barrier, reduces inflammation, and inhibits pathogens. It's considered a beneficial transient colonizer that improves skin health by actively rebalancing the microbiome towards a healthier, more diverse state. More specifically, these beneficial effects are achieved through the production of antimicrobial peptides, modulation of immune response, and the activity of metabolites. So why does it have potential for treating acne? Well, one, pathogen inhibition. It inhibits growth of harmful bacteria, like Staph aureus or C. acnes, which is commonly associated with skin inflammation and infections. Anti-inflammatory and acne control because it suppresses pro-inflammatory cytokines and can be used as an acne mitigating agent by reducing inflammation and balancing the skin microbiome. And finally, it actually enhances the skin barrier with hydration. It enhances barrier repair, significantly reduces transepidermal water loss, and promotes the production of key structural components like ceramides. So it can not only help in managing dermatitis and eczema, but also acne and improving overall skin moisture. So research is now showing that carefully selected lactobacillus strains can actually act as topical skin probiotics to improve mild to moderate acne. We now know that lactobacilli are natural, though low abundance, members of the skin microbiome. Recent studies, like this one, have focused on 3 robust, well-characterized strains for their safety and ability in vitro to inhibit C. acnes and Staph aureus, as well as reduce the lipase activity, that is the sebum production triggered by C. acnes, and to produce lactic acid. In this specific study, these 3 strains were microencapsulated in an oil and water cream to maintain viability and applied twice daily in an open-label pilot and a randomized double-blind placebo-controlled trial. Basically, treatment transiently increased lactobacilli on the skin, selectively reduced Staphylococci and Cutibacterium, and produced a significantly greater and relative rapid reduction in inflammatory lesions, which you can see in the bottom, versus placebo, with effects persisting 4 weeks after stopping, which generally demonstrated that topically delivered lactobacillus is a safe, targeted microbiome modulating option for managing common acne.